Web3.tv.
Hello, Web3 TV. I'm Lisa Amnegard, and we're here today at the HODL Summit in Dubai 2025. Joining me right now is Jennifer Robertson, co-founder of Boston Trading. So thank you so much for joining me today.
It's a pleasure, Lisa. Thanks for having me on.
And how are you doing today?
Having a great day today. So the HODL Summit's been really energetic and exciting. So it's great to see like-minded people coming together and enjoying the Web3 experience.
And what actually brings you to the HODL Summit?
For us, it's probably looking at a whole level of kind of connections with new people, new consumers, new clients for our particular Boston Trading mutual fund that we have here.
Yeah, and if for people unfamiliar of what Boston Trading does, what can you tell us about the company?
So Boston Trading started 10 years ago in response to essentially people coming to the CFO, who was the co-founder, saying, I'm really interested in crypto, I'm curious, but I'm nervous. And so after hearing that a few times, the CFO said, I think we need to do something about this. We need to create something that's strategic, that's safe, that's secure, that allows people to feel confident in their investments. So 10 years ago, we started Boston Trading Co.
And it's been going strong ever since.
It's been going great.
And when we look at, let's say, investing in a crypto mutual fund, why would you invest in a fund rather than in crypto itself directly?
I think there's a number of reasons why you would do it. So I guess first up, people can absolutely do their own thing. So we're not against that. It's people who were like me 13 years ago who were crypto curious and wondering, how do I get into it? Do I have the time to understand it? I'm a bit nervous. And so the whole idea of investing into a fund is to have someone really do the research on the coins for you, pull together a portfolio, actively manage that portfolio for you, and then you can keep doing what you do. Now, it's so I was not crypto related right at the very beginning of this journey, but it allowed me to have peace of mind around my investment.
Yeah, definitely. And somebody else does the research and kind of verifies in a way that it's
Absolutely.
a safer investment,
Absolutely,
right?
yeah.
And your Boston Trading is based out of Australia.
So,
right?
so the team here is from Australia. You're absolutely right, Lisa. We are essentially housed as an entity in the US, but looking to potentially change jurisdictions, and the UAE looks like a very attractive option for us.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask you about. What sort of interests you in this region, and why are you looking towards the UAE?
I think the UAE really does genuinely have a strategic, forward-thinking ecosystem for crypto. And so for us, going into an environment like that is really crucial, because after 10 years, we really want to be able to let more people kind of understand what we do and participate in kind of the financial benefits that come with being part of a diversified fund.
Definitely. And I know that you recently launched a halal crypto fund. So what kind of potential do you see in sort of more halal crypto trading?
Well, we think there's a lot of potential in crypto trading in the context of the halal fund. We started it up really in response to a couple of friends, Muslim friends that Jeremy had, saying, look, we can't invest, it's forbidden. And Jeremy thought, oh, that's really interesting, I wonder why. He ended up doing a bit of research and finding out that there are a very limited number of coins that are considered halal. And so he looked at those coins and said, how do I build a portfolio that I would think that he thinks would be a great portfolio for investors. And so hopefully those people who really want to invest in accordance with their faith feel really confident in the halal crypto fund.
Definitely, and it's such a huge audience. There's 2 billion
Indeed.
Muslims, so it's definitely somewhere where a lot of potential exists, right?
Indeed, yes.
And if we look at 2025 in terms of crypto trading, it's been quite volatile. So what would be your advice for crypto traders right now when navigating such volatile markets?
So from my perspective, really looking at the volatility in the markets, I would say if you're buying crypto yourself, buy quality. My suggestion would be, even though meme coins can be really fun, historically they have not been a good store of value. So buy good quality coins and hold them. There's going to always be volatility, particularly in the crypto market. So if you have good quality coins, you'll be able to withstand any of the ups and downs.
Definitely. And lastly, in 2025, there have been a lot of trends and talk around tokenization and stablecoins. But in your opinion, what is sort of driving the trends now in 2025 when it comes to investing in crypto?
I think the trends around investing in crypto right at the moment is that there are a lot of people looking at it after more than 15 years as an asset, if you think of it as an asset class, it's now getting more credibility. So I think that there's more people turning their mind to how they can participate in the financial gains that come from being involved in crypto. And so you'll have some people that are coming from TradFi, and what we want to do is help them invest securely, give them the confidence that the crypto market is, indeed the $1 trillion market that it is, and start thinking about, their financial wealth in a very different way.
Definitely. Well, I wanted to say thank you so much for speaking with me. It's been a pleasure.
Likewise. Thank you, Lisa.
And for someone who wants to learn more about Boston Trading, what's the best way to find you guys?
Probably having a look at the website, bostontrading.co. So that's .co.
Excellent. Yeah. Well, thank you so much. And I'll be bringing you more interviews. My name is Lisa Amnegard, and you're watching Web3 TV.
Web3.tv